started with ARC for the last 30 years. The 30 years journey has been very fruitful for all the ancillaries as well as the company. It's a learning process for us, and we have been able to make good quality product with the help of the company. I have joined ARC since 1986. So I am working with them totally with ARC. Just a very good company, dealing with dealing in only number one safety fittings, and all the procedures are in number one. Quality is number one, and about its quality, we are very much enthusiastic that we give better products.